Section 1.6 are relations. A relation is a set of ordered pair. Here is an example of a relation. The ordered pairs 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. That is a relation. A relation is a function if the x values do not repeat. It is okay if the y values repeat, you just cannot have the x values repeat. Domain is the set of the first numbers of the ordered pair. So in this case, the domain, and we always label the domain with the capital D with a colon and put the first numbers of the ordered pair inside braces. So the domain is 1, 2, and 3. The range is 2, 3, and 4. Example 1, state the relation, determine if it is a function. If so, give the domain and range. So here's what's called a mapping diagram, where the numbers in the first box are called your domain, which is also called your input, and the numbers in the second box called your range, also known as your output. So we would write them in an ordered pair. 1 goes with 2, so the first ordered pair is 1, 2. The next is 2, 4. Then the next is 3, 4. Then 4, 5. It is a function because the values did not repeat. The domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the range is 2, 4, and 5. We would not write 4 twice. So now you write the relation, tell me if it's a function, state the domain and range. Pause the recording, write the answer, and then check your work. Okay, here are the first order pairs. 1, 5, 2, 7, 3, 7, and 4, 9. Is this a function? Did any of the x values repeat? No, they did not, so it is a function. The domain values are 1, 2, 3, 4, and the range values are 5, 7, and 9. Study the different representations of the same relation below. Okay, there's 4 different ways we can write the relation. Here is just as a set of ordered pairs. The second one is a table where your x values are listed below and your y values are listed below. Another way is graphing, where the ordered pairs, they're plotted. And then the last one is the mapping. So copy these 4 down on your notes. Example 1, express 2, 5, -2, 3, 5, -2, -1, -2 as a table, graph, and a mapping. Determine the domain and range of the relation. So if we were going to do a table, your x is 2, your y is 5. Your x is -2, your y is 3. Your x is 5, your y is -2, and your x is -1, your y is -2. We could graph it by plotting the points. The first point, over 2, up 1, 2, 3. We had to extend our point off of our graph. Sorry, I didn't make my graph big enough. -2, 3, backwards 2, up 3, over 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, up 2. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's a -2. And -1, -2. As a mapping, I'm going to label the first one D for domain. So my x values are 2, -2, 5, and -1. My range values are 5, and 2 goes with 5. The next range value is 3, and -2 goes with 3. negative 5 goes with negative 2, and negative 1 goes with negative 2. The domain values are 2, negative 2, 5, and negative 1. The range values 5, 3, negative 2. I'm not going to repeat the negative 2. Which, right here, I shouldn't have done that. Sorry, I'm having trouble erasing it. So your homework assignment is page 41, even 10 through 14, all 21 through 23, and all 28 through 31. We will cover section 1.7 on Wednesday when we come back from Labor Day. Have a wonderful Labor Day weekend.